This is a 2004 Meridian 459 aft cabin motor yacht, just listed with Seattle Yachts. Great live-aboard boat, powered by Cummins diesel engines with up-to-date services. She's named Blue Yonder and owned by a pilot, so it's been fastidiously maintained. Has brand new bottom paint as of February 2026. Very clean exterior and interior, with a very spacious mid-deck, with a custom table, ice maker, and then beautiful views from the upper deck and the flybridge. This marina does have slips available for someone who's looking to have a boat with an exquisite view of the main channel. Nice roomy main salon with a very complete galley, stand-up fridge, forward cabin, with ensuite head, entertainment center, and then after cabin, with also ensuite head. But is very competitively priced and available in Marina del Rey.